up, guys? Back with Evan, and this is
Gabe. Hi, guys.
so. The cars go by, you get closer. So in this video, getting trains, model trains, HO scale model trains, set up and everything. We're here at Hobbytown. And we'll go in there, pick out some stuff, and yeah, we'll get back home. So, this track here, it's code B3. It's a more scale track. It's not as high compared to the code 100 track. A little more expensive, but worth it.
These are all DCCs, huh? Oh, that's HO.
These ones, this one.
Oh, so it's the same thing as that, but it's not DCC and sound.
So, we've gotten some picked out. Got this one.
No, whatever one you want.
Got
what you like.
this one here too.
What?
These two here.
Oh, that's serious car.
I have a train and some more cars already, but these two here.
Look at that one too.
He has a train too. He's gonna get buy another car.
I won't get one car. I'm gonna get 4 cars. I'm gonna get the one with connected to 4 cars.
All right, so I also got this train here. This it's called Caboose. First, this Caboose, and I obviously showed you these here already. And then I also got this tanker car. This here I know is really good. What did you get?
I got a car, and you move it, the horse comes out, horse head comes out.
You got that. So I'm pretty sure in that whole area. So show you once you get them out of the package. There you go. I'll show you. Oh, he's taking his out of package right now, so I can show you right there. So, all right. So here's Gabe's car here. So when it moves side to side, that's when the horse's head is. I can get it. That's when the horse's head comes up. He's going to get his track now. He has his track, and he has his track in the container here. Open it up, and then get out your train, and then show him the train.
Here it is.
Yeah. Where's the back end of it?
The back end?
Yeah, the whole train.
Oh,
I don't want to set it on the carpet. No, the other part that goes to this.
oh, the R part? What's in it? It's the cool box.
So, turn it the other way.
This way?
So it's supposed to be like that. And that's his train right there. And then he's got his other cars. He got a set. He got that car there. And he got a box car. So he has 2 box cars. And then he has his 2 box cars now. And
That's a gazebo.
Caboose.
Caboose.
So now I have a Caboose too. Now he's gonna set up his track and probably need help while doing it. So we'll get right to that. I have my track set up already because I wouldn't be able to record that since it's up high. I wouldn't get the camera up there. So I got that set up, and then I have the train sitting on there already with the cars I already had, and then I'll go add those cars to it and then show you all. But I'll show you them cars in the detail though, out of the box. Alright, so I'm going to put it on the tracks here. This one has metal wheels compared to this one has plastic. You can hear the difference. Alright, got his train all set up now. Here it comes. See a horse? There's a horse there. Like so. There's his train. You like your train?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's good. So, here's my tanker. The top, it's pretty detailed on the bottom. This. The other side. It's like and stuff. It's pretty cool.
It is.
It's what is it? Hold on. It is that right there. And then here we got the mainline central caboose. There's the mainline central caboose. Think safely, work safely. Pretty detailed. And there we go. Here we got the floodlight car, or the holder car, whatever it's called. This isn't huge detail, but it's pretty cool. The big thing is that right there. And then, so, that right there. Because there's this here. All there. So, that's the train car. Oh, alright. So this is the one have here, that one there. Alright. So I think there's actually other ones you can get, so like the floodlight car. Oh, alright. I'll get that sometime. I'll show this one here. Django rubbing up against me. Right? Bright eyes. And you got Carmelo out there staring. Look at that mutt. He's out there staring. And I'll show you this one now. So now I got this car here. And I noticed the hook here at the end.
That's
Is
cool.
metal. It's actually a metal hook. And,
2 hooks actually. Wow.
oh yeah, that's pretty detailed. And this here, actually,
And then
me
we got this
show here.
one.
Yeah, so this here, if it turn it, then it actually raises. It actually stays in. Push it. See, turn that, it actually raises it. And then there's another slot in right there that makes this hook go up and down. So it's pretty cool. And then it rotates too. It's really cool actually. I like this one. And it has 6 axles. Alright, so I'm up here now on the ladder. I've already got like 2 on. There's one there. There's another over there. Got 2 screws in this. See, it's nice. See, it's nice and partially level. And a screw here. And then get the screw in here. So now we are routing the wood here. So then it goes down so then the other wood can fit in. So then like that there. Lower. So other wood can fit on there nicely. And then like this. See how it fits on there nicely. Lovely.
You're standing on your board.
Yeah. And then put it all together, and then it should be all nice. Hold on a second.
I'm not even doing anything other than moving the wood.
Are you standing on the board?
Yep.
Yeah. Wear your safety stuff. Glasses, masks, ear protection. So we have got it all hung now. It's all up here. And we do a little pan around all minus my junky looking ceiling. There it all is. You can see the cut. Looks pretty good. All hanging up. Yeah. And obviously the lightsaber, one of them. I had to take them down. And I have a plain little wreck messed up there on the wings. It's only hit a few things. And then for the light panels here, taken and notched out the wood here and then there, so then the light panels can go through. Looks pretty good. Light's messing with my camera lens, but looks all good. And then the wood here that we grooved out so it can fit in there. And Bam. And then you got screws there to hold this down to it so it doesn't go anywhere. Got it all screwed down so it isn't going nowhere. And yeah, it's fun. I always wanted to do this. It's pretty cool. Get my train going here. That train behind the planes over there. Yet to go. There we go, it's starting to go. So I'll get it when it comes down here. Have my wire run from here up to, this is the track that controls it. For the power, this little section, like get it all in frame. Right there, that little section there controls all this track here. And then you get a shot of the train when it comes along. Here it comes. So I'll stop it like right there. Roughly. So then I can put the cars on around here somewhere. So then I'll just back up and then hook it on here. So here I got them set up here, all in the line. So that looks pretty cool sitting up on the track here on the wood. I like these. That's pretty cool right there. And then got my caboose standing off. And so hit the reverse here, and then back it up the soul line. I'll show you these ones since you haven't seen them. So I got the soul line, corn products. Actually, show them all attached. Corn products here, and then the rock, and then got the Norfolk Southern train here. Now we got that all. There we go. It's all attached. And get it going by here. There it all goes right there. Here we go, going around the turn here. It all is pretty cool. Got it all in one shot here. There you go. Pretty cool. It's all going now.